Hi, I'm Ken Bianco Jr. and welcome to TrainWorldTV. Today we have a special Soundtraxx edition. Soundtraxx is one of the leading manufacturers in sound decoders, DCC in general, and now they're going even further into different kinds of product. One of their newest, hottest releases that everybody has been picking up and is flying out the door is the new Tsunami SoundCar. This thing is maybe a month or 2 months old, and it is just flying out. Everybody wants to try it. But George, we still get a couple of customers who, and even myself, aren't sure or isn't sure about the full extent of what it does. Is it just a chip that just plays one sound? What is the SoundCar?
The SoundCar is a decoder that we've developed to encompass the sounds made by the rest of the train.
Okay.
Everybody's focused on the locomotives, and we've got some of the best decoders that are out there for the locomotives. But once the locomotive passes, the rest of the train is silent. If you go to the real world, the trains aren't silent.
Okay.
And so what we've done is we've created a decoder that's able to reproduce that, that's easy to be used, and just really adapts itself to any type of rolling stock you can imagine: freight cars, passenger cars, even head-end cab cars and cabooses. So what we've done is there's sounds in there. There's flange squeal, there's clickety-clack, there's the sound of the wheel rolling on the rail, all the brake sounds. So brake application, brake release, brake squeal, hand brake tie down, and hand brake release. We've even got the sound of a diesel engine for an onboard refrigeration unit, or an onboard diesel generator for a passenger coach.
So this isn't just battery operated. You control this with your DCC.
You control this with your DCC.
Wow.
And it's really easy, and with our new intelligent consisting concept, we are now able to add and subtract cars from the train simply with the wave of a magnet. Huh. So to show you how to do that, I've got it set up here, and I'm going to give you the magnet. You're going to be my brakeman. We'll let you get your hands dirty.
I feel like Harry Potter right now. All right.
So first thing what we need to do is let's back up to the train and couple it. So we're going to go forward. We're going to release the brakes, and we're going to come head over.
Just let me know when.
Use our brakes to tie down and stop the train and couple. So now if you'll take your magnet, and the decoder is in the white refrigerator car, there's your sound of the handbrake release. So now we've released the brakes, and now we're ready to add this to the train. So the decoder is searching for a command, F8 4 times, and that's going to tell it to join that train. So from our handheld, without ever leaving operations mode, we're going to hit F8 4 times, and you hear the sound of the air brakes bleed off. And that's telling you it's ready to join the train. And then the other sound you heard was the brake cylinder application, because it's matching its state to that of the locomotive.
Okay.
Ready to go. So now we simply change our direction, we blow off our whistle signal.
Beautiful. And you could adjust the volume on this, correct?
Every sound effect has its own volume level. Every decoder has a master volume level, so you can go through and really adjust the sound effect. But also, as we were talking about with cab cars and cabooses, there's 4 different lighting effects built into the decoder that you can control. For cab cars, you've got headlight and tail light. So for example here, we're going to grab the passenger car over here.
Here.
And we're going to turn on the lights.
Oh, very nice.
And we're going to blow the horn and ring the bell.
There you go. Now this is realistic. It's taking trains to a whole nother level.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. And that's one of the things we want to do at Soundtraxx, is enhance our enjoyment and fun that model railroading is. And this takes you one step farther, because using our intelligent consisting, it reproduces the actual job of a brakeman for the real trains. And then with the sound effects, it really adds that much more to the whole experience.
Right, right. And now, you know, you also sell the 3-pack of sound cars. And at first I was saying, you know, if you got one sound car, why do you need 3? But, you know, after listening to it today, I mean, it just brings a more realistic sound to your layout, a whole
Absolutely.
different dimension. And it's not just one sound. All trains are interacting with each other, and it's interacting with the diesel, the speed going up and down. It's just unbelievable.
Yep. We've added everything we can. The 3-pack, actually, we sell at a little bit of a discount to give the ability to quickly add a fleet
Gotcha.
of freight cars so that you can get up and going and do it without spending too much money.
Yep. And again, you could shop for all your Soundtraxx products at TrainWorld.com. Shop online 24/7. And George, I thank you so much. You know, you guys are taking everything to a whole different level. Your quality is just unbelievable. American-made company.
Yes,
It's great to support you guys, and I'm happy to have you guys on board. And thank you so much for coming by.
Thank you for having me, and appreciate it.
Thank you.